In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test subject lines for your emails using Mailchimp. So let's jump right in. If you've ever wondered how to refine your email marketing strategy, A/B testing is a powerful way to start. It lets you compare two versions of a single variable to find out which performs better with your audience. This method is both insightful and effective, especially for crafting the perfect subject line that captures attention. First up, setting up the A/B test campaign. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're there, go to the campaign section. You'll want to create a new campaign, and as you do so, select the option for an A/B test. This feature is quite user-friendly and it guides you through each step, making it a breeze. Here, you can define what you want to test. In our case, we're focusing on subject lines, but Mailchimp offers the flexibility to test other variables too, like email content or send times. Tailoring the test to your specific needs is key, so take a moment to think about what you ultimately want to achieve and set up your campaign accordingly. Next, it's time to define your variables. For subject lines, it's crucial to determine the kind of impact you're aiming for. Are you looking for higher open rates, or is your goal to boost engagement and click-throughs within the email? Try crafting two distinct subject lines. One could be straightforward, while the other more creative or playful. Keep in mind that the subject line is your first impression, so consider what would entice your audience to click and open the email. Once your variables are set, it's time to design your email. In this stage, consistency is key. Ensure that the body of the email remains the same across both versions, as you want the subject line to be the sole differentiating factor. This eliminates other variables that could skew the results. Use Mailchimp's easy drag and drop editor to design a compelling email that aligns with your brand voice and style. Finally, it's time to send your test and analyze the results. Before you hit send, decide whether you want to send your test to a small portion of your audience first, with the winner being sent to the rest, or if you want both versions distributed equally across the entire list. After sending, allow some time for your audience to engage with the emails. Mailchimp provides clear analytics that show which subject line was more effective. Look at open rates and other key metrics to understand how your audience responds. Here you have it. With these steps, you can unlock valuable insights that help you craft subject lines that are not only catching eyes, but also improving your email marketing success. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you